Hello friends, welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Today we are going to see how we can repeat a character or number or a symbol using the repeat function. And the function name is called REPT function, REPT function. So let's see how we can replicate or repeat a character or a symbol using REPT function. So the syntax is like REPT bracket opening bracket. Here I am going to repeat this 2 numeric 2. So I am selecting that cell, comma. Then you need to enter how many times you want to repeat that number. So here I want to repeat it 5 times. So I enter 5, then close the bracket, then click on enter. See, here you can see that 2 has been repeated 5 times. If I want to repeat it 10 times, just edit the function. Instead of 5, type 10 and click enter. So you can see 2 has been repeated 10 times. Similarly, the below symbol, the here we can see a symbol. We can apply the same function to repeat this or replicate this. So REPT bracket, select the cell that contains the symbol, comma, then enter the number of times. So here also I am entering it 5 times. Then close the bracket, click on enter. See, this symbol has been repeated 5 times. If you want to repeat it 15 times, just edit the function and instead of 5, type 15. See, it's wonderful. It has been repeated 15 times. So that's how we can repeat or replicate a character or symbol or any numeric data using the REPT function. So it's simple. You can use it while you are preparing certain types of reports and other presentations. So hope you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please like this video and also don't forget to share this. And for those who are coming for the first time, please make sure that you subscribe and click on the bell icon while subscribing to this channel. Bye. See you later.